the meaning of this now?
Please, I'm sorry.
Is that all you have to say? Just like that? Sorry.
What? Sorry?
Oh, so it has gotten to this, eh? That you don't have the guts to put on my wig. Oh, because of this loser.
It's okay.
This low life. This good for nothing guy.
Enough! You don't call me names!
Excuse me. For your information, I can't remember talking to you. I'm talking to my sister.
Better.
And if you don't mind, you better stay out of it. Candy, if I ever see you come close to my belongings again, you will regret the day you were born. Okay? You will regret. Come here like that again. You will regret ever being born. Nonsense.
I can't believe this. No. What kind of sister is this? No, you call her your sister? This is unbelievable. What? Oh, no. I don't... She's wicked. Your sister is wicked.
Hi, Tony. What's up?
Hi, Kim.
Surprise? Where's my sister?
Oh. Candy is not here.
Oh my God. But she told me she was coming to your house. That's why I came here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But as you can see, she's not here. She didn't show up.
This place is really hot. What is happening? How come you don't have AC in your apartment?
Wow.
Huh? This is really hot.
What? What is the meaning of that?
What?
What are you doing?
Meaning? Are you trying to tell me that you do not understand what I'm doing? Come on, boy. I like you. Come on. Do not hesitate. Just grab me. Grab me. It is an opportunity. Oh. Oh, Tony. Oh, Tony.
Kimberly. Tony, hello?
Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God, Tony. Oh, my God. Oh.
Hello? Hello? Kimberly. Tony. Kimberly. Is she in Tony's house?
Oh, Tony! Oh, Tony! Oh, oh, Tony! Tony, it's okay. Oh, you're such a darling. Oh,
What?
oh, Tony. Kimberly, what are you doing here? Can't you see it's my boyfriend?
No, stop that.
Boyfriend?
I am not your boyfriend.
You are interrupting, please. Do you mind stepping out?
Tony, why did you do this to me? Why?
I can't.
Tony, please come.
Stop that!
I love you now. I love you, Tony. Please.
Candy.
Just stay where you are. Don't come close.
I can explain.
Explain what?
See. Candy, no.
Tony,
Stop it! Don't come close to me!
Tony, please.
Candy.
No, let's finish up. Oh my God. Kimberly. It's a game. I love this game. Life is sweet, baby. Life is sweet, baby, for those who can play it.
Hey.
Candy,
Wow.
how are you?
I'm fine.
You look great. How's everything?
I'm fine.
Oh, good to see you.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing here?
I should be asking, what are you doing in Abuja?
Anyway, I just rushed to Abuja for some business assignment. And besides, I'm trying to check on someone in this area. I don't know. What do you say you're doing here?
I live in Abuja.
Really?
Yes.
Where's that?
Down this place. First one.
Oh, I'll go down like this.
Yes,
I'll turn
the first
so
one, yeah.
to my left, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that'll be great. Look at you. You look so serious.
So are you married?
I'm sure I'm not married. Yeah. 080. But it was like God divine the way we went. I wouldn't say it's coincidence, serious, but I believe God has a plan for us. Do you understand? And to crown it all, you are a woman I've always admired from a very long distance. And now that I've found you, I'm not going to let you go. I want you to actually give me a chance into your life. Let me make you happy. Do you understand? I don't know. I'm actually short of words, you know. I don't know if it's okay by you.
Yes.
Serious?
I like you, George.
Wait, don't say you also have been admiring me for a very long time. Come on. Thank you. I can't wait for us to actually, you know, settle down and be one. Serious?
Yes.
So can I get a pen for this? This is chick. Despite the fact that your sister, she don't treat you right, you don't even seem to see anything wrong in it. I mean, I know she's harsh, she's wicked, she treats you bad, she don't see anything good in what you do, but the way and manner you handle these things baffles me. I love you.
Honey,
Yes, baby.
you don't know my sister.
Really?
If you know her, you'll like her. She's very nice.
Really?
Yes.
Are you saying that you have forgiven her?
I don't have anything against her.
Oh man, darling. You see, you can't stop killing me with this in mind. Eh? In fact, you are an angel. Tell me, what could I have done about you? You are lovely, decent, calm, even the way I'm on, you just forgive your sister, you know. It brings more joy to my heart. I love you so much. I love you, baby.
Honey,
Yes, baby.
they sweet.
What is this? You know, of course, you know I'm not good at guessing. So, if there's anything in your mind, just go ahead and tell me.
Yes, I'm telling you, it's pregnant.
What? Tina was pregnant? Oh my God, thank you. I know it. You know.
And congratulations to you guys.
And what could that be?
I've heard my sister telling you she's 3 months pregnant. Yes. Does that mean we're expecting a baby in our family? Yes.
This is your ear. Anyway, yes. You can see that again.
Then what are you guys waiting for? Let's start celebration.
You like celebration so much. What is it?
Let it flow, please, now.
How is Mama and Papa?
They are fine, though. Mama is fine. But she wouldn't let me drink water and drop the glass unless I come see her baby Candy. Can you just imagine?
Kimberly,
Of course, Mama will not allow you to leave because you know my darling wife here is like your own daughter.
Doctor, indeed. Please, I've had enough of her in the house. I wouldn't want her to even come back because she was so sluggish and troublesome in the house. I don't need her. Why would I even come and see her if not for Mama?
It's my husband's house.
I know it's your husband's house, but don't worry. Very soon, me too will soon be married.
Anyway, baby, don't mind this. It's okay. Please get a bottle of chocolate so we can start the celebration. So,
please be fast about it, oh. I know this is your husband's house. Mumu, you know she's very sluggish. I don't like her. In short, and she's too sluggish for my liking.
probably that's one of the reasons why I love her. You know, I love girls that so you know what I'm saying?
Oh God, George.
Sweet. Oh, is it now? This juice is sweet. Candy rice. Small you, little girl yesterday. You want to get married and have kids before me? Impossible. Oh, let me even call her husband. Hello? My in-law? Yes, it's me, Kim. Please, there's trouble in the house. Yes, my in-law. Your wife just ran mad out of the house this morning. I'm telling you, please, it's very serious. Please be fast about it. Okay. Please, it's my sister here we're talking about. Please be fast about it, eh? Okay. Alright. My sister, indeed. Let's see. my water bed.
Candy, come.
Daddy. Candy, it's your husband.
You're my princess.
Look at your husband, Candy.
My
Candy, please, let's go home now. Yes. Let's carry on.
Candy, please, come back. Candy, please. Oh my God.
George. What's the matter with you, George? I was going to come tell you that I'm going out, but the way you are looking right now, I don't think I can even leave you. George!
You don't understand how I feel. You don't even feel my pains.
That's not true. That's not true, George. That's not true. I know exactly how you feel.
No, you don't understand. It is my wife we are talking about here. My wife.
With my sister we're also talking about here. She's my sister, George. For crying out loud, she's my sister. Do you think I don't care about my sister? Huh? Oh, okay. If everybody is crushed down the way you are now, like depressed, who is going to console who? Huh? You think I really don't care about my sister? George, please, I understand every bit of how you feel, but killing yourself over it will not help matter. What if you develop high blood pressure? Who's going to take care of you? Huh? Certainly not me, George. Be strong for Mama. Be strong for even your wife that is insane.
I'm strong for every one of us that have not seen my wife for the past 3 months.
George, please. I know exactly how you feel. I know exactly every bit of it. But look at me. I'm the same as my sister too. Look, I've been in this house for the past 3 months, taking care of you. Anything you need, just tell me, George. We are same as one. My sister is the same as myself. I can do anything for you, George. Just take a good look at me. Look at me, George. I can do anything for you.
Anything?
Anything, George. I can do anything.
Anything?
Yeah.
Anything?
Anything. Oh, George. George, take it easy. Oh, George. Oh my God, George. Oh, my in-law. Oh, God. My in-law. My in-law. Oh, my in-law. Oh, my in-law. Oh, my in-law. My in-law. You kill me, my in-law. is my husband? I don't know him. Yes, George. George, you're not mine. Finally. Oh my God, I love you so much. I love George so much. And Candy, you are nowhere to be found. She's running mad on the street. By now she should be. No. No.
Baba? Baba? Yes, Baba. Okay, Baba.
My daughter.
Baba, good afternoon, sir.
Hey, my daughter. How you doing?
Why don't, sir?
Now your charm be this.
Okay, sir.
This charm, very active. You go put some more for her food.
Okay.
She go mad.
Baba?
Then, when she go mad, before she born, you come see me. Not let her born before you see me. Okay. Because it will result on that thing.
Papa, you can count on me now. I don't ever slack. I'm always on point, Baba. You know now.
That is several times. Go, my Vicky.
Thank you very much.
Go, remember me.
Thank you. I trust you, Baba. I know what you can do. Thank you so much. I really appreciate, Baba. Thank you. Candy. Oh, you actually thought you can get married before me. And then I will become an old school. Me, Kimberly. Impossible. Babe, get ready. Because I'm pulling you out of there. Nonsense.
No. The doctor. I need to do it fast. I need to do it fast. I can't stand. Please. Oh my God. Somebody please help me. Somebody please help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
What's that?
I can't stand.
Can't stand?
No.
Please let me help you.
Oh, please help me. Help me, please.
Stand now, stand.
I'll confess.
Confess. Confess.
Please. My sister, Candy.
What about her?
I made her mad.
Jesus!
Please.
You did what?
Please.
Jesus Christ.
Please help me.
Everybody must hear this.
Please.
Everybody must hear this.
Please help me.
Everybody must hear this.
Please help me. Help me, please. Oh God, where are you?
Boss, I saw your wife.
My wife?
Yes, she has gained her sanity.
Oh my God. Oh God, thank you. Where is she?
She's in our artist's place. She has also put to bed.
Oh God, what a coincidence. Oh my God.
It's Marty that took her delivery.
You are taking me to where she is right away, okay?
Okay.
Let me call my driver.